In this video we will look at aspect ratio. Aspect ratio refers to the proportional dimensions of an image between its width and its height. The way to express an aspect ratio can be achieved by showing two numbers separated by a colon. These two numbers refer to the x and y units of length of the image being shown. The x amount refers to the width and the y amount refers to the height. For example, if our aspect ratio was 16 by 9, then this would represent a width of 16 units by a height of 9 units. In our example, we have a scene containing a stack of red rectangular blocks that are crumbling down onto a surface. We will use this scene to show the 5 most common types of aspect ratios that are used within film, TV and cinema. To begin, we'll show the scene at an aspect ratio of an even 1 by 1. We can see that the dimensions of the width and height units, or x and y units, are exactly even. Now we'll begin to change our aspect ratio values to see the different effects it has on a scene. First, we'll look at the two most common types of aspect ratio for film and cinema. They are ratios of 1.85 by 1 and 2.39 by 1. First, 1.85 by 1 is the common widescreen cinema standard that is used within the US, and 2.39 by 1 is the current widescreen cinema standard that is used in Europe. With these ratios, the screen is longer in width and therefore looks wider. Now we'll look at the three most common types of aspect ratios used for TV. They are 3 by 2, 4 by 3 and 16 by 9. 3 by 2 is the old aspect ratio used by camera for TV in the late 90s. 4 by 3 is the ratio for old television screens and computer monitor screens. 16 by 9 is the current widescreen ratio used for high definition TV screens. With these ratios, the width and height are closer in dimensions and the screen then looks more even in size. So all of these aspect ratios are used in film, TV and cinema today, and each represent a different size of image recorded and viewed from a camera. In cinematography, all of these ratios must be considered when creating and shooting scenes of all types. So those were the different types of aspect ratios used within cinematography.